Hello students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. So here we are going to begin a new topic of writing section, which is writing a story. As you all know that writing, either it is a story, report, article or whatever, is an art. Okay, so writing is an art. Here you all are made up of stories. We are made up of stories. Like whenever we ask something, or if you have not done even your homework, then you all come up with a story. It has a reason, it has a beginning, and it has an end. Like this, I have not done my work, this had happened, and so I'll do it. And the same, it's a very crisp and a short story that I have told you within 3 lines. So in the same manner, when you expand this, it become a story. So writing a story, here we are going to start. Once upon a time, as usual, whenever you read story or you have mentioned or you have seen, it begins with a line. And first of all, we will talk about what is a story writing or what is story writing. A story writing is work of fiction or imagination that is usually written in easily understandable grammatical structure with natural flow of speech. Story writing is meant to be read at single sitting and therefore it should be as direct and brief as possible. What? What is a story? Is a work of fiction or imagination. It is not true. Fiction in not true, not real, means imagination, and it usually written in understandable grammatical structure which is easy to understand, a natural flow of speech, like I am talking to you. Story writing is meant to be read at single sitting, means when you sit you start and it should be finished at the one time. It should be interestingly weaved out, okay, so that one person can understand it. Writing a story is creative challenge, more so on in the case of short stories. In the case of short stories or stories, as usually it gives a period of time and cover all the details, means all the necessary details to understand the situation. In other words, we can say it should be simple and it should be full of dialogues or some related facts, okay, to the story. It should have a beginning, middle and end. Next, if we are going to here, it is, now we will discuss it later on. So here, first of all, features of a good short story. What are the features? There are some features, or you can say key elements there, that are 5. First of all, it is character, okay, setting means brief but poetic and vivid, plot, conflict and theme. Clear? These are the key elements of a story that we require to weave a story, to weave out a story. And if I talk about, first of all, if I talk about a character, then a character is someone or something that takes part in action depicted in the short story or the story. It could be a living person, a dead person, a ghost, an imaginary character, a robot, a dog, a toy, unlimited list. Means it should be something or someone to whom the story revolves around. Like if you watch a movie and the movie is without a hero or a heroine, can we call it a movie, or will it be interesting? No, it should having something, the story should revolve around it, okay. And there it can be the central character, you can say it, okay, around whom the action of the story revolves. Beside the central character, limit the number of characters and present them as real as possible. Yes, of course, if characters are there, then it should be not many, very few, okay, and it should be related somewhere and somehow related to the main character, okay. Coming to next, here we have described the character, like you can say hero or the heroine. In the movie, we will compare the story writing to a movie also. like you are watching a movie, it should have a proper beginning, middle and the end, and also it is having a name. Are you getting me? So in the same way, then we will talk about the plot. Plot means, plot is flesh and muscle of story writing. What is plot? Flesh and muscles of story writing. Like if you are just having a look on the body, then body is nothing without flesh and muscles. Only bones cannot make the body. And story comprises events in character section. Character is there, but what the character do or did or does. So this is comprise events and characters. More creatively, you describe and logically connect the events and action. Logically means it should be logical. Stronger the plot would be, stronger the plot you create, better interest would it generate among teachers. Means how much efforts you are giving to your story. It depends on you, and it decide the success of the story. Okay, it only it can create or it can generate the interest. A plot has a start, body and end that are linked sequentially by events and characters action. Okay, and also it decided perfect present a character planning or something, matlab means a character is the main thing that decide the planning or the what planning or the output, that what will happen. Okay, moving to the next one. A story writing involves, here we are, a story writing involves creative writing skills also. Like, please follow the mentioned points to write a good story. Before discussing these points, would like to come back to our last slide, which is plot and character. Apart from plot and character, we can discuss about the theme also. Like, theme means just anchor your thoughts around a theme or a message that you do not digress. Means like you want to highlight that, like love heals, good conquers evil, united we stand, and honesty is the best policy. Some of all time relevant themes to weave your story around. Get it? If you watch a movie, always there is a message, always there is something good, means whatever it is going on, but at last it always happen the valid. Then I would like to talk to you about the setting. Setting means story requires the time, the location, context and atmosphere where the story takes shape. That is important. And whenever you start, it should be quiet. Okay, it should just highlight a scene, like it's quiet, dark night, cold, chill, like that you can start. Some, you just create your story like you are creating a scene. When readers read, it should look like that you are just reflect, you have just portrayed the whole scene in front of them. So keep that in mind and give a title and give a moral also if possible. Now we will discuss the points. As a story writing involves creative writing skills, please follow the below mentioned points to write a good story. Like, the narrative should be in first or second or third person. Okay, setting of the story should be made, means setting should be decided, time, location, context that I have told you, to create imagery, to create a scene, meaningful dialogues to be used. Dialogue should have expressions, meaningful dialogues, only dialogues that is related to the character should be used. Avoid unnecessary, means not necessary details. Okay, that is not required. Characterization, identify 2-3 main characters and a few side characters in story. Like, whenever the word distribution is done, it is always distributed to the hero, heroine, means the main one, the leading role, and also the sub hero or the sub heroine like the other ones who has played important role after the hero or a heroine. So in the same manner you should also do that. Then come to the plot. We have discussed that plot of the story should be interesting, but story of the plot of the story should be short because of the word limit. Okay, and it should not be exceeded. Like if they ask for 2 pages, then you have to finish within 2 pages. You need not to write more than two, or you are just writing the story to 3 or 4 pages. No, it will not required. Okay, and plot can include the following: what happens, storyline, actions. These are the main thing that plot include. Before sample, I would like to talk to you this uh, the here how to write a story or a short story. First of all, whatever we have discussed is described here. Brainstorm a scenario. What is your story? Who, what, why, where, and when. Keep these in your mind and then weave out a story. What is story about? Means who, what, why, where, and when. Then plan story submission. Think ahead. Means here you need not to think about the publications. Now come to the point 3. Find your story's focus. Short story or story have less space. Make every sentence focus. Means no need to write extra sentences so that it just increase the length. Plan character setting. How might characters and your setting look, feel, and change, whether these are relevant to the stories or not relevant to the stories. Choose a point of view. Who narrates, what information do they have and not have. Then writing 1 page synopsis. Try writing your story as a single page. You will find the central events. First of all, when you start writing, then write down the synopsis, write down the main points. And sometimes it happened, and many a times it happened that you always given hints to write a story. So whenever you given a hint, you write a story according to that, because that is the question. As per, you have to frame a story. Create a strong opening. Start with the unusual, unexpected, with mystery or conflict that just attract the attention of the readers. Try to create that opening. For this, if you start reading more stories, if you start reading stories, then you will be able to create, like when you started in, you yourself feel that where I am being attracted, what is most hilarious, what is most thrilling opening. Sometime it happens that you are not getting that, so no need to do that. And if you are not able to write at that moment, then write simple, that can be easily understand. Don't overcome that things if you are not able to do that. Start with simple lines in the beginning. Create a strong climax. How will it build the situation found at the start to a peak? Means always give a climax. Okay, then it will be a good story. Simply, very simply, if I will say, then it should be in a very decent manner. It should be with a proper beginning, middle, and end. So here we are, short story samples here. Story writing samples for class 10th or 9th. Now the marking scheme, just have a look. Title and moral 1 mark, content 4 mark, expression 5 marks. Expression including coherence, relevance of ideas, accuracy, means appropriate words and correct spellings. Suggested value points, the beginning of the story is given in the question. Suggested value points are the beginning of the story is given in the question. That is the main part. Next, solve example of short story writing. First of all, I am just giving you an example of short story. Write a short story in 200 or 250 words with the help of the cues given below. Give a suitable title to the story. Here we are going to begin. Going to Mumbai by train to attend the marriage of a friend. got stuck in a traffic jam, reached the railway station late, boarded a wrong train, realized after 2 hours, now you. See this. So these are the hints given to you for framing a story, for chalk out a story, for weave out a story. So here we will start with this question. First of all, I have talked about a proper beginning. So here is the beginning, like a series of unfortunate events. This is the title. Here, I sat down with relief as I ticked off the last task in checklist. I wanted everything to be perfect as it was my best friend's marriage in Mumbai. The alarm rang next morning. Okay. I woke up in excitement and booked a cab to the railway station. Everything was going perfectly until I got stuck in a traffic jam. I reached the railway station late, but on the side of the train, still waiting on the platform. I hurried and somehow managed to get into the train. I breathed a sigh of relief and got comfortable. It was only when the ticket collector came I realized that I had been in the wrong train for 2 hours. I panicked. See, I realized that I had been in the wrong train for 2 hours. I panicked and deboarded a train at the next station. I tried booking a ticket for the next train to Mumbai, but there was no availability. On coming back from the ticket counter, I realized that my luggage was missing. See, first of all, he lost his luggage afterwards. First of all, he boarded in the wrong train. Even after hours of finding and reporting it, there was no trace of it. I got tired and lost hope. Tried booking a cab with a minimal amount I was left within my pocket. The cab couldn't reach on time as it was raining heavily. Disheartened, I finally walked my way to the nearest hotel, contacted my parents, and recited them the series of unfortunate events that happened during the day. Alas, I couldn't even make it to my best friend's wedding. So, here is something bad happened. Okay, something you see the beginning here, going to Mumbai, and according to the giving caution, according to the giving cues, according to the giving hints, the story is weave out, and here it is. Okay, now I am giving you a task here, that write a story in 150 or 200 words with the help of following outline. Tortoise and hare, good friends. Tortoise known for his slow speed. Hare has fast speed. Makes fun of tortoise. Challenges him. Referee selected. Race starts. Hare overconfident. Takes a nap. Tortoise wins. Not a new story. You have come across to this story many a time. So keep the story in your mind. Hints are given. Keep the points in your mind that we have discussed earlier, like beginning, middle, ending. It's already given. You only need to just join these points with proper and suitable words. Okay, use some good topic, some motivated moral. So here we will meet in our next class. Write down the story, send it to on my number, and I'll do it. I'll check it and I'll send it to you back. So here friends, and we will also discuss the same story in the next class. Keep in mind how to write a story. As much you will write, you will perfect, because I've already mentioned that writing story or writing is an art. So here the story writing topic we have discussed. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.